I don't know if you know the whole story.
No, I don't. I just it's a little bit in your notes, but
Okay, so I went in to get my roots done last Tuesday or Wednesday. Tuesday, I think it was. Yeah, Tuesday. And then I said, there's so much dark on the top. Can you pull down? Can you pull the dark down all the way through? But it looks like they just put a bowl on my head. Okay. Yes.
So it's too dark.
Well, no, the dark is okay, but I can't have dark on the top and light at the bottom. It looks stupid.
Yeah.
I have dark bangs and light hair. It looks stupid.
Right.
So I thought, oh, maybe they could. So she foiled it, which is what I wanted, right? Except she didn't put the developer in, and none of it worked. And I sat there for 4 hours total. By the time they did all the foils, and by the time they rinsed it all out and realized that nothing took, then they were going to close in like a half hour. So they quickly dumped some color on my roots to get rid of the gray and said go home, basically. So it's a mess. I've got these colored roots, which are fine. But I normally do high-low. I normally like stripe it all the way around.
Okay.
So the blonde is really highlight, and the dark is really roots plus low light. I mean, they use the root color as a low light.
Is that what you like, or do you just like it?
I like it.
Okay.
Yeah. I like it, the high contrast. I like...
You like dimension.
Yes, that's it. You got it. Dimension, that's the key word.
Okay.
But then she also
I do have a few questions.
The whole thing that I would like some light in here. Too dark.
It's too dark. I want a little bit of lightness too, yes. And then, do you like your highlights pretty high up, or do you like less darkness? Because I feel like it's really dark.
I do too.
It's really dark.
Yeah.
So maybe what I'm kind of thinking is that I do you like the blonde of what you currently have? Do you like how bright the brightness of it and everything?
I do. I wouldn't mind if it was brighter.
Okay.
I don't like when they throw the toner on and it's all ashy looking, and then I don't see any blonde. It just looks like ashy.
Do you like this more
I like the warm.
champagne?
Yeah, that's champagne. Champagne. Yeah.
Okay. So what I'll do, what I'm kind of thinking, we add a little bit of highlights here.
Okay.
I go in, I usually take my highlights out of diagonal. So that instead of the mohawk, so that it don't get so striking, you have that line demarcation later on as your hair goes out.
That makes sense.
So I'll take it, your foils, light it up. Since your roots are already done, I don't have to really do anything with that. I'll just do basically a highlight low light on it. So that we can brighten it up, but also break it up. How does that sound? Break up some of this brightness so that you can have a little bit of dark home here. So you can have a little bit of dimension. And since we're going a little bit brighter, you'll be able to tell like the dimension of the difference.
Sounds good.
Does that sound good to you?
You have to go in, but it's like downside. So it's like 5 desks. What do you want?
And then do you usually do like a partial?
That's what I usually do, yeah. But I mean, whatever works to fix it.
Well, no, I can do a partial, but I just want to make sure, like, did you want like a full partial? But I feel like we can finesse it either way.
Let's just do the partial, but I mean, isn't it awful? It's just like this darkness here, and blonde everywhere else.
I think it would have been fine if they would have had just like a little bit of highlights here. Just like a little bit, but I'll get you together today. Do you like the formula that's in the book?
Oh.
That they have for your roots?
But we still have that like style.
I don't know. It's kind of.
Do you feel like it's too dark?
I feel like it's a little too dark, but it does wash out like a little after like a week. So it's not like.
It's like the Genevieve.
I don't know. What do you think? Should it be a little lighter?
I can make like your low light a little bit lighter.
That's fun too.
Because we are going to get more coverage as well. That's what we have to think about when we put in the highlights. We are going to get like a lot of coverage. Since I am going like the diagonal.
Okay.
We will get like a lot of coverage. So maybe I'll just go like a shade. Or what I'll do, I'll just put half and half of the shade that you are and a shade lighter.
Okay.
Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I will be right back. I'm going to get you all mixed up and everything.
it's your time of the month. How? Make a distance, see how fast you go from the boot to a blunt. Listen, she say she hungry, I gave her dick for brunch. Send me my whole fee, I don't do back ends and fronts.
No, let's have sex in the bank. Telling her open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know. Whoa, yeah, look at me dead in my eyes. I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect. All of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect. I used to hand out CDs before they would buy. Whoa, she love me so much, it seem like she buys. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's cause they live it to hide. Hey. 4L13, stepping on shit to this pot. He brought me the money sealed up, I still had to count it, I cannot just hide. Whoa, yeah, let's have sex in the bank. Telling her open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds they hit like a rainbow, that's cause the necklace of Frank. Heard. Whoa, yeah, let's have sex in the nines. Breaking and bending the spines. I hate a privileged rapper that they had to hit 60 times. Niggas be full of excuses, act like they taking their time.
Whoa. Look at me dead in my eyes, you see all the times that I had to go slide. Too many sticks, we go to war with whoever ain't never been biased. Too many sticks, I was there, your ops, and none of them died. Pussy. Hold up. Why you pull up at 1 in the morning and sit on the edge of the bed? Texting emojis, tongue out eggplant, bustin' went over her head. Catch him outside of the studio, make him repeat what he said. Pussy. Yeah, let's have sex in the car. The Maybach came with a bar. I'm wiping my dick with a bra. Snipe his ass, he got hit in the head before. Ops get undivided attention, I give them my all. How you come over the spot when you know it's your time of the month? How? Make a distance, see how fast you go from the boot to a blunt. Listen, she say she hungry, I gave her dick for brunch. Send me my whole fee, I don't do back ends and fronts.
No, let's have sex in the bank. Telling her open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds they hit like a rainbow, that's cause the necklace of Frank. Heard. Whoa, yeah, let's have sex in the nines. Breaking and bending the spines. I hate a privileged rapper that ain't had to hit 60 times. Niggas be full of excuses, act like they taking their time.
Is that party for the street out there?
Actually, it's for like a DTE or something that's going on out there. I have no idea. I guess like they're trying to like campaign for like different like electricity since like all of the power outages happen.
Oh yeah.
Shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect. I used to hand out CDs.
River City.
Stepping on shit to this pot. He brought me the money sealed up. I still had to.
Yeah.
Rainbow, that's cause the necklace of Frank. Heard. Whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the nines. Breaking and bending the spines. I hate a privileged rapper that they had to hit 60 times. Niggas be full of excuses, act like they taking their time.
Whoa. Look at me dead in my eyes, you see all the times that I had to go slide. Too many sticks, we go to war with whoever ain't never been biased. Too many sticks, I was there, your ops, and none of them died. Pussy. Hold up. Why you pull up at 1 in the morning and and sit on the edge of the bed. Texting emojis, tongue out, eggplant must have went over her head. Catch him outside of the studio, make him repeat what he said. But see, yeah, let's have sex in the car. The Maybach came with a bar. I'm wiping my dick with a bra. Snipe his ass, he got hit in the head for fraud. Ops get undivided attention, I give them my all. How you come over the spot when you know it's your time of the month? How? Make a distance, see how fast you go from the boot to a blunt. Listen, she say she hungry, I gave her dick for brunch. Send me my whole free, I don't do back ends and front.
No, that's that sex in the bank. Tell her to open a safe. I hate a privilege rapper who don't even. Whoa, yeah. Look at me dead in my eyes. I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect. All of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect. I used to hand out CDs before they would buy. Whoa, she love me so much, it seems like she buys. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's cause they live it to hide. Hey. 4L Snapchat stepping on shit to the spot. He brought me the money sealed up, I still had to count it, I cannot just hide. Whoa, yeah, let's have sex in the bank. Tell her to open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds they hit like a rainbow, that's cause the neck is a frame. Heard. Whoa, yeah, let's have sex in the nines. Breaking and bending the spines. I hate a privileged rapper that they had to hit 60 times. Niggas be full of excuses, act like they taking their time.
Whoa. Look at me dead in my eyes, you see all the times that I had to go slide. Too many sticks, we go to war with whoever ain't never been biased. Too many sticks, I was there, your ops, and none of them died. Pussy. Hold up. Why you pull up at 1 in the morning and sit on the edge of the bed? Texting emojis, tongue out, eggplant must have went over her head. Catching my side of the studio, let's have sex in the car.
Great. It's still somewhat layered, just longer.
Yeah. How do you feel?
Good. Perfect.
Love it?
Perfect.
Like it's so dimensional now. It looks so different from what you came in.
I know.
Do you like how bright it is?
Yes.
We went a little bit brighter. It's like that champagne blonde. Just a little bit brighter than what you have. Not too
I don't know how you
ashy.
figured that out. It's fine. So I don't know how you figured out the right color.
And then look, that line demarcation is pretty much done if you look down.
Yep. Wow. You figured it all out.
Yeah, and I didn't go as dark as your roots either for your
The brown.
little lights. I think that was really like a real good smart call actually.
Yep.
Yeah.
Wow. It's perfect.
Okay, I'm gonna show you the back so you can see what that blend looks like in the back as well. Here, I'm gonna give you this. Then I'm going to spin you all the way around. Can you see yourself?
Yep. Great.
Love the color?
I love it.
Like it looks so much softer than like that line being like
I
right
know.
there.
Like that cap just being put on my head.
Yeah,
It's perfect.
gorgeous.
Yes. You did.